In this video, I'm going to show you how to erase or redact text in Foxit PDF Editor. So first, if you want to erase text, the easiest way to do this by far is by going to the Edit tab up top, hitting this Edit Text button here, and there we go. And then you simply can see, as you can see, kind of these borders and select boxes around your text. You can just go ahead and select the text you want to delete and just basically click the backspace or delete button on your keyboard, and that text is going to get erased or deleted. Now, that's the first way of doing it. However, if you want to actually redact text, there's two ways to do this. The first one is by going to the Protect tab up top, and then you can just select this whiteout, and you can just select whatever you want to white out. For example, you can draw rectangles like this. So, for example, if I want to redact this, I can just release it. It's going to say that this cannot be undone after the PDF is saved. So make sure you know what you're doing here. Click on OK, and there we go. This has now been redacted, and whenever I save the PDF, there's basically no going back. Now, that's the first way. However, you also have this mark for redaction up here. You could just select text and images, and then here click on OK, and you can basically mark things you want to redact. So for example, this thing, and let's say this title over here, and then this part as well. There we go. And if you want to actually see how it's going to look redacted, hover over it, and it's going to look like this. And then up here, click on where it says mark for redaction. Whenever you're ready, click on apply redactions, and then click on OK, and OK again. And as you can see here, it's going to allow you to save your document again. And here, these things have now been redacted, and they're basically blacked out. So that's how to erase or redact text. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.